In this section, I'm going to show you scheduling a shutdown on a user computer is useful in several situations such as energy conservation, automatically shutting down computers after a set time, reduce energy consumption, especially in a business or educational environment. And also, the security ensure that a computer is powered off after hour to prevent unauthorized access. All right, let's get started how to configure. So in this case, I have selected two computer, which is this is Windows Server 2025, and here you can see we have already configured the Active Directory users and computers, and also for configuring scheduled the task, I'm going to select the group policy management. For the testing purpose, I have one more client computer, which is Windows 11 PC. So what we need to do, first of all, let me show you here on this Office user PC. Let me create a GPO. Right click on the Office user. Inside the container, I'm going to create a new GPO. And the GPO name is auto shutdown, and click on OK. So once you have create the GPO, I'm gonna right click on the GPO and select edit, and under user configurations there is a preferences, expand, and expand control panel settings, and select scheduled task, and right click and select new, and select again the scheduled task. So here we need to configure a few settings. Okay, name I'm gonna enter here auto shutdown, and the action should be there is a create and replace update. Okay, select update. Don't forget to select run with highest privileges. Then click on triggers. Here we need to schedule a date and time. Okay, so now 3:26. Let me extend the time. Click on the daily, and then trigger should be enabled. Okay, then click on OK, and go to actions and select new again. Here, very important, the action should be start a program, and go to the browse options, and let me show you here. Select this PC and open C drive, and go to Windows, and here we need to find System32. Open the folder and find again a shutdown.exe file. Okay, this is the file. Add arguments. So I'm gonna enter the commands -yes space -t space -, the seconds 250 seconds, and space -t. Okay, so once you have entered this command, click on OK. So after configuring this settings, update the group policy, start menu and type CMD, and right click run as administrator. Enter the group policy update, gp update /force, and hit enter. So once you have entered the group policy in the server, so automatically the domain user will affect. If not, you need to for the testing purpose, I'm gonna enter the client computer manually. Okay, let me open the start menu and type ZMD, right click run as administrator, and let me enter here also the group policy update GP. For that, let me show you here on this task scheduler. And now, as you can see, there is no, any scheduler is created for shutting down. And here you can see, after entering the command gp update /force and hit enter, you can see here the shutdown scheduler going to create the task scheduler. Okay, once you have done, let me refresh here. You can see here the auto shutdown task is created, and when the times come, the system automatically shutting down. Okay, we will get the message. Okay, let's see. And as you can see, now the system is going to shutting down. This is the message. So we have successfully configured scheduler shutting down. And these are the way you can configure if you have a multiple computer. And dear all viewers, if you like this video, please do comments in my channel. If you have more comments, please let us know. We will upload the videos as per your comments. Okay. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.